I'm Impossible. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a bit of an Ulta haul, kind of, I guess. I bought some things in case I went under quarantine, which I will not be going under quarantine because I have an essential job. So I bought a few things that I thought would help pass the time a little bit. I got myself a new eyeshadow palette. This is the I Heart Revolution Strawberry Cheesecake, which I really wish that Ulta would stop sending eyeshadow palettes in bags because mine's busted. Busted all over everything I bought and all over this, and it's just covered in eyeshadow. Literally lost half an eyeshadow there. So this is what the palette looks like, and I bought this, and then I bought a few different lipsticks, a few different lip options. So I thought it'd be kind of cool if I did like a 3 looks 1 palette sort of thing, so that, you know, so that you guys can see like these 3 completely different lip looks with 3 completely different eyeshadow looks using the same palette. I don't know why, just thought it'd be kind of cool, so that's what we're gonna do. The 3 lips I have today are the NYX Suede in Cold Brew, which I'm not gonna be using today. I'm gonna save this one. It's a matte brown lipstick. Then we have this one I'm so excited about, but again, not using it today. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous Matte Lipstick in On Fire, and look at this. That is just intense, and I'm so excited. It's such an intense matte red, and I cannot wait. For today, for the lipstick, I will be using the NYX Retractable Lip Liner in Nectar and the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. Wow, that was like really hard for me to say. It kind of smells like the Strawberry Shortcake dolls, like if you guys remember that. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in and like fast forward through this part, so yeah. If you're interested in seeing what 3 looks with this eyeshadow palette looks like, then just keep watching. So the eye part is done now, and I'm going to be doing my lips. So I'm going to line my lips with the NYX liner in Nectar. This lip liner is extremely like shimmery. Like it's like a metallic, and I'm really confused by that, but okay. It does say it's waterproof, so I'm hoping that means it's gonna last pretty well throughout the day. Now for the lip gloss, I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. This color just adds that little like pop of peach. That way I've got a pop of peach and a pop of pink, and it's like a little bit of both with this look. So here is the look done. I am extremely pleased with it. A light makeup, like peachy pink light makeup. So this is look number 1 with the Strawberry Cheesecake palette. I'm calling this one the like nudie natural look. I mean, I know it's not natural, very light. Like if you want a really simple basic look with this eyeshadow palette, this is your one. This is look number 1 complete. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this one the best. Now moving on to look number 2. Now for the second look, I'm going to be doing the red lipstick, which is the Revlon On Fire Super Lustrous Matte Lipstick. Stunning. I'm so excited, and I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I'm going to find something that matches with the red lipstick using the Strawberry Cheesecake palette, and let's see what I figure out. Also, don't mind my hair. I was trying to do something cool with it, and it didn't work, so. Alright, the second eye look is done. It was starting to look a lot more like the first one, I thought. That's why I added like the deeper brown, because it was looking too much like the first look. The shade Pour, this one right here, came out way more pink than I was expecting. And yeah, so I had to fix that. Now for the lipstick portion, I'm so excited. I've seen Sophie use this, and I'm so excited to use it because it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So this is look number 2 complete with the Strawberry Cheesecake palette. Much more like brown, neutral, smoky, less pinky peach, you know. I have to say, I'm absolutely loving the way this looks. I'm glad that I did this. If you guys are interested in seeing my third look using this eyeshadow palette, then just keep watching. It will be a grunge-ish look. I'm gonna try my best doing some grunge makeup, so. Now for the third look, which is going to be the brown lipstick grunge look. I'm gonna try my best. We'll see how it goes. If you guys can hear rain, I do have my windows open because it's a nice day. It is raining, but it's like really nice out. So ignore that if you can hear the rain. Enjoy the rain sounds even, maybe. So like the other looks, I'm just gonna zoom you guys in and just kind of fast forward through it and point out what I'm doing to you guys. This palette smells so good. I'm like obsessed with it. It is so nostalgic for me because like the strawberry shortcake dolls and like, yes. So this is the third look, the grunge look. I'm gonna go ahead and recreate it on the other eye and I'll be right back. So this is the finished eye look that I have come up with. It's more like a berry toned, grungy, like smoky look. And I really like it. It's definitely not something I was expecting, you know, this like bright pink palette. You know, I feel like you look at this and you don't see this look, but I actually really like it. So now I'm gonna add the lipstick. I have got the NYX Suede in Cold Brew. Super excited. This is what the lipstick looks like. It's just a brown, but it has that like reddish pinkish undertone to it, at least from when I swatched it I could see. So that's kind of why I went in with the berry. I'm Impossible. Does this or does this not look like Impossible? Okay, yeah, I can dig this. I'm just hoping it does not get on my teeth, so if it gets on my teeth and I don't notice it, just pretend like you don't see it, because yeah, I'm getting some like serious like witchy vibes from this. I needed more like really dark lipsticks, and so like I am so glad I got this. And so yeah, that completes the third look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just thought it'd be a bit of fun to show you guys that you can create several looks with just a pretty, I mean, this is a pretty neutral looking palette. I mean, it's like got its pinks, its berries, you know, it's pretty neutral. But when I put in my order at Ulta and I noticed that the 3 lipstick combos could totally go with this eyeshadow, I thought how cool it'd be to do 3 looks with 1 eyeshadow palette. Also, if you want to comment down below which look was your favorite, Yeah, if you liked any of them, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe in case I decide to do more like 3-look, 1 eyeshadow palette. Would you guys want to see more of those? I had a lot of fun doing it, and I could just, you know, every week I could just pick a different palette and then make a video like 3 looks, 1 palette. I think I would actually really like to do that, and I had a lot of fun using this eyeshadow palette. And I feel like since, you know, everyone's pretty much quarantined right now, that maybe this would be a good thing to do, you know, pick out an eyeshadow palette you haven't used in a while and try and create 3 completely different looks with it. Maybe it'll get your creative juices flowing. So like anyone that wants to do this should totally do this. I had a lot of fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every single Saturday, and I'll see you guys next Saturday.